Hi everyone. Test the Follow Me function on 3 DJI Neo drones at the same time. Launching the first drone. Oh no, it switched to circle mode.
Что это?
Strong wind is pushing it, and it crashes. Let's try again. This time, it should work as planned. All 3 drones are airborne. Testing the Follow Me mode. The drones sometimes lose track of the target but recover quickly. When you approach the drone and it resumes following. One interesting finding, connecting multiple drones can cause interference. This affects the connection, especially when using FPV goggles. First manual launch, but it's a bit sluggish. Let's give it another shot. Now that's what I'm talking about. Powerful and dynamic. Despite the windy conditions, the DJI Neo drones performed well. The Follow Me mode is fascinating but needs some improvement. Share your experiences in the comments and subscribe for more tests coming soon.